Hi, I am Tanaya Bose. Let's get started with the data mining exercise using Weka. For the data analysis, I have chosen the diabetes dataset, which has 768 rows of data of the female patients to check whether they are showing any sign of diabetes or not. Here in Weka, I am choosing the diabetes dataset from the data folder. Here we can see all the attributes here, including the class attributes. From the class attributes, we can see that 500 instances are classified as tested negative, whereas the rest are classified as tested positive. To get the graphical view of all the attributes together, we can click here. This is the graphical representation of all the attributes. Now, to build the decision tree, I am choosing this algorithm and I am changing the percentage split to 70. Now the 70% of the data will be using for training and the 30% of the data will be used for testing the model. This is the model for this data set and this is the accuracy value for this model, which is 76.52%. The number of the leaves for this tree is 20 and the size of the tree is 39%. Here in the confusion matrix, we can see that 122 and this 54 instances are correctly classified as tested negative and tested positive, whereas this 36 and this 18 instances are incorrectly classified as tested negative and tested positive. Now I am changing the percentage split to 90-10. Now 90% of the data will be used for the training of. Here we can see the model for this percentage split. The size of the tree is same for this model, but the accuracy is a little bit lesser than the previous model. Here we can see the confusion matrix for this model. Now I am going back to the previous model as it was giving us the better accuracy. I will change other option to check whether we can get the better accuracy for this model or not. Confidence factor is used to prune the tree. The lower the confidence factor is, there will be more pruning for the tree for this model. So I am changing this confidence factor to 0.05 and I will check the model now. Here we can see the model. The accuracy is almost same, which is 76.52%, but the tree size is much smaller than the previous one. Here the number of leaves is 12 and the size of the tree is 23. Here we can visualize the tree. The first split is on plasma glucose concentration, whereas the second split is on body mass index. Here are the 12 nodes for this tree. Now I am going to use the same data set for the neural network model. Here I am choosing this multi-layer perceptron for the neural network model and I am keeping this percentage split at 70-30. Here we can see the model for the neural network where the accuracy level is 75.21%. This is the confusion matrix for this model. Here we can see we have 5 level 1 node. For this level 1 node, all the inputs are the attributes and these are the weightage for this attribute. And for this level 2 node, which is node 0 and node 1, this level 1 nodes are the input and the output are the class 1 value and class 0 value. Now I am changing this percentage split to 90-10 and I am check this model for better accuracy. Here we can see we are getting the accuracy as 81.81%, which is much better than the other models. Only 18.18% data are incorrectly classified. This is the confusion matrix for this model. So we can say from this model that for this data set we can go with the multi-layer perceptron, which is neural network, to get the better accuracy for this model. Thank you for watching this video.